Turned up, pushing bows on the avenue, yeah. Turned up, pushing bows. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Fetty Bezos. As you guys can see today, I'm gonna be telling you guys about YouTube tags. They lied to you, bro. They said don't put YouTube tags in your description or all that extra shit in your video. You need to do that, like, ASAP, and I'm gonna explain why, and I'm gonna show you that it actually works. Before this video even begins, I want you guys to tap in with vidIQ. Download vidIQ or just go to vidIQ.com and sign up with my referral code, and you can start with a free trial, bro, and use their free account. I promise you, bro, it's the best shit ever. I've been using vidIQ. This is not a paid ad. I didn't get paid from them, bro. I've been using vidIQ, bro, for like 10 years, bro. Since I started YouTube, I swear to God, and it's never failed me, gang. That's how I learned how to like work the algorithm and shit like that. Like I don't even have to use vidIQ anymore. I already know, like, you feel me, that type of shit. But vidIQ just makes everything 10 times easier. So let's just get right into it. So as you guys can see, this video right here that I have is a GTA 5M, like GTA RP video, right? And you guys know that I stream GTA 5M. I said how to fix lag and stutter, best 5M settings, or blah blah blah, right? So now look at my title. That's the title. You feel me? My title only has a 78 vidIQ score. Look, trust me, I know that's, you feel me, they suggest them like other stuff, like better titles and stuff like that, but I know what I'm doing. So I use the title that I put right there because it has the keywords. Keywords is a huge thing. You know how like they always say like hashtag, keywords, tags, and all that shit, and they say don't use tags. No, use tags, use keywords, and use hashtags. Like, use everything. You feel me? So you want to put it in your title. You want to have it like keywords in your description, just like, you feel me, you want to just kind of spam it. And that's why I put like the timestamps and shit, so I can actually put it without it like looking like a bunch of spam. And then look at the hashtags at the bottom right here. You feel me? So that's what I did, right? So now when I scroll down, the tags, right, boom, on vidIQ, when you type in a tag, bro, it literally tells you the vidIQ score. So it'd be like, okay, a 71 overall for 5M, the first tag right here, this one right here. For this one, it's a 71 score, right? That means that's pretty good. Like, it's in the green. If it's in the green, that means good. What I like to do is I like to spam it with as many green tags as possible that's related to my video. So like, look at all my tags right here. This is all GTA 5M, GTA RP related stuff, and some of it is not that high, but I know what I'm doing. You feel me? And now look, they tell you not to put tags, and this is why you need to put tags, because remember I just did the keyword description and all that other shit in my title, right? It says now when you look up how to optimize laggy 5M, I'm literally the #1 video that pops up on YouTube because I put that in my tags. You get what I'm saying? So now when you look that up, my video, boom, right there, and it's gonna show my little thumbnail, how to stop lagging on 5M. They don't even see my face. They just gonna click on it and be like, damn, let me see. Yo, one of my boys just told me the other day, he was like, yo, I ran into your video on YouTube, bro, like when I was trying to play 2K and shit. 2 people told me that I know IRL. You feel me? And they didn't know that I make YouTube videos. So like, I'm just like, okay, cool, that shit working. You feel me? And now when you type in how to stop lagging on 5M, where do I pop up? #2. It says where this video ranks in YouTube search results. #2, gang. So when you type in how to stop lagging on 5M GTA RP, nigga, I pop up #2. I'm gonna steal your views, bro. As long as I have like a good enough thumbnail, I'm stealing your views and I'm gonna get paid, and you're not. You get what I'm saying? So you need to spam those tags, bro. Spam it. It don't matter what niche you got. Like, obviously this is because I'm gaming, right? But I'm gonna show you what anything else I do. Like, I post mad different type of videos on my channel and stuff like that, and like, I'm not gonna lie, I need to like focus and double down on like one specific thing so I could just hurry up and kill the algorithm with all this tag shit. But I'm gonna show you guys like how I be ranking on everything that I do. Like I still generate 100,000 views a month minimum. Like that's on the low end. I'm doing that. You feel me? How to fix 5M lag. I'm number 12. I'm number 8 for that one, and I'm number 20 for 5M PC optimization. You get what I'm saying? And now when I'm ranking in the search results, now I'm gonna be recommended to people like under people's videos. So like if you're watching a fucking T Grizzly video of him playing GTA RP, I'm gonna pop up in the bottom like, oh, you want to stop lagging, blah blah blah, or you want to find a new server for beginners, bang, right here. It's gonna be me. All right, so now here's another thing that I want to show you guys. Here's a 2K video, because that's a GTA video. So here's a 2K video that has 4,000 views in 2 months. I don't really upload consistently, but like I still look at this right here. This search word right here alone on my channel has got me hella views, bro, and I'm gonna show you, bro. And I ranked number 4, and that video is from 2 months ago. And there's people that upload these videos, hundreds of these videos today, every day. Like I promise you, nigga, if you capitalize on the fucking tags and shit, you are gonna stay in the algorithm. Like I get paid for videos that I don't even like. I forgot that I even made shit. You feel me? Like literally I forgot that I make them. So now look, in the last 28 days, these are the YouTube search results that I popped up and the views that I got from them. So like look, I've reacted to iShow Speed. Bro, I got 182 views from people looking up iShow Speed. How the fuck did I pop up on iShow Speed when you type in iShow Speed? I'm not iShow Speed. You feel me? He doesn't know me. We don't have any content. I posted one video about iShow Speed. You feel me? And I bust down a whole bunch of clips and I attacked that algorithm in the keywords. And now look, I got 182 views from that. Obviously, I got way more views on all like the video and the clips individually, but I got 182 views from being searched by using iShow Speed. So now once again, NBA 2K26, this is also in the last 28 days. Remember, I don't upload that consistently, bro, I promise you. Look at my channel, 174 views on NBA 2K. In the last month, I only posted one video, and that was yesterday. And that video just now has 100 views. So think about it. That video, by the time that video hits 1,000 views, this is probably going to be at like 300, 400 maybe. You feel me? Because look at this 610 center build. Like I told y'all, that video is from 2 months ago. I haven't posted another one, and I'm still getting 136 views this month from that video. You get what I'm saying? From being searched in that tag. Not even that video, that tag. These are all tags that I use. All keywords and tags. Like look at this. Keywords and tags. Keywords and tags, bro. Literally. So please utilize the tags, bro. Double down. I do have a membership now for YouTube. Like I want to help people with YouTube and shit like that while I'm also blowing up my channel. You feel me? So like we kind of grinding together. It's not expensive at all. I'm probably going to be charging only $5 a month. So join my YouTube channel membership, and don't get the cheapest one, because I think the cheapest one is like $1. But you could get that too. You feel me? Show support. But if you want to get help with YouTube specifically, I'm going to be dropping private videos like just like this, going more in depth, showing y'all like how much the money is, like how much money you can make, how much money I make and shit like that. Like I'll show y'all my shit for real. You feel me? I ain't no Hollywood ass nigga, bro. Feel me? I'm on the block with this shit, gang. We're going to get right. So if y'all want to tap in with that type of stuff, man, subscribe and join the membership for like $5 a month, man. It's your boy Fetty Bezos, and I'm out. And make sure y'all hit that vidIQ link in the description too, and get your vidIQ account busting. I'm out of here.
I'm pushing bows on the avenue. 2 different scales, bitch, I gotta wash the residue. Stomp a nigga out and fucked around and got a bloody shoe, bitch. I'm towing on a big Nick, you gotta do slide on.